it Kealoha Hoe. We're on board Hikianalia, and so my kuleana as a crew member, one of the watch captains, quartermaster, responsible for the cooking. So yeah, just one of the fortunate ones to be on board. Cooking on the Waʻa, we cook with a 2-burner propane stove, and all of our meals are pre-planned, pre-packed. The group we have back at home working hard to develop menus and making sure that the well-being of the crew is important in the development of the menu. Get some herbs like rosemary, fennel. It's a real kāko'o thing where everybody works together in the preparation of the meals. So everybody helps to cut onions and garlic and help with the cooking and dishwashing. So it really allows us to come together as crew members. Sometimes we leave home as strangers, but definitely after a voyage, we return home really as ohana. So look on wood on back. As we get ready for this worldwide voyage, we're trying to make our meals healthier with the emphasis on Pono, or righteous foods, or good eating. Yeah. For us, it's not only to feed the opu, but really to feed the na'au, the uhane, the spirit, and make that cultural connection